Bstation app developed by Bilibili. It's an application to read the comics and also watch the video, which lets you find famous comic like Demon Slayer, Kyojuro Rengoku, Isekai Kizoku ni Tensai Suru, Shin no Nakama Yanai Yusha no Party wo Oidasareta Node, and also One Piece, Naruto, and much more. For the app, Bstation is also on display as user-friendly or make it easy for you to find the most popular, latest and also a variety of genres that you can customize based on your interest. Features of Bstation APK mod. If you are now looking for a version of the mod, of course there are many that you can find in between without ads, lets you find a variety of anime, paid and also unlimited money as well as watching the video without any limits. Start using Bstation APK for Android. You can download those apps using Google Play Store or web service that provides download. After that, do the installation as usual, and if you use the sites or third-party web to enable the unknown sources in the settings of your phone. Install Bstation Bilibili APK for PC. Make sure before using this you must install first the emulators like BlueStack or Nox Player and so forth. After that you can download app Bstation APK, then open the folder where you save the app's APK, and last press the enter key on the mouse of your PC. Automatically the app will be installed.